Good morning. I came in to make some donations and I thought I would stop into my local Goodwill store to see what they had. So I wanted to show you some of these purses and a few other things. This bag is cute for the summertime, isn't it? Straw bag. This looks like it could be Vera Bradley. I'm not sure that it is. There's another one. Oh, look at this cute little straw bag. And this one also looks like it could be Vera Bradley. Oh, this is cute. It's like a computer bag, a saddle bag. Here's another one that's smaller. That one's cute too. Let's see, we have, this one's cute for the summer. That's 9 West. Oh, that is cute. $6.49. Let's look at some linens. Oh, that's pretty. What is this? Looks like a bag holder or a blanket holder. Oh, that's really pretty. That's cute. Bag of books. Oh, it's from Barnes & Noble. Oh, that's really cool. The rest of these are bags. Oh, that's cute. New Yorker. I have so many bags and I need to actually purge mine, but I thought I'd take a look. Oh, that's really pretty. It's material that you could use. That'd be a cute skirt. Or like a tube top tied at the back. That'd be very cute. That's cute to be like a table runner. If you want to start knitting, this is the place to go. You can get little pieces, or not little pieces, but I can't remember what they call yarn. But look at that. And these are only $4.49 for 3 of them. Oop. $2.49. These look like curtain tie backs. That's really nice. $5.49. Oh, it looks like it's handmade. That would be really cute in the kitchen as decor, or you could even put flowers in here. Oh, this is handmade also. $3.49. It's in great condition. This looks like it came maybe from At Home One of those home stores. Oh, it's Ray Dunn, $4.49. Wedgeworth salt and pepper shakers, 99 cents each, but they're not ceramic, they're plastic. There's some baskets up here. This box is $4.49. I don't know how to open it though. Not sure how you open it. That'd be cute to put in the kitchen with oils and salt and stuff, vinegars. $4.49 seems awful high for this. Is this Pyrex? Let's see. I'm not sure, but I love this little dish. $3.49. What I am looking for is a small, like, fruit bowl that I can put on my counter that has like a pedestal, something similar to this, but tall, crystal and smaller, much smaller. I do like these. These are really pretty. $3.49 and $4.49 for the larger one. Let's see what they are. I can't read that. Martha Stewart. Those are pretty. Decorative apple. $2.49. Oh, look at this dish. That's very pretty. $5.49. I don't know. What is that mark? Do you guys recognize that? I do not see what I am looking for. I have a slight obsession with glass containers. $7.49 has no real markings. Cake mold for a castle. These are very pretty. They're $2.49 each. There's 6 of them. If you need a clock, they got lots of clocks. And picture frames. $5.49. This looks like it came from, I know Dollar General sells stuff like this. This planter is pretty. $4.49. Oh. Oh, this is heavy. $7.49. That is a beautiful little vase. That is very heavy. This is nice, $9.49.
Yeah, add the whole McGrath in.
I love this picture. $12.49.
Want to join the Goodwill team? If you love shopping at Goodwill, you might enjoy working here. Speak to a store manager today for a job.
Wow, they have a lot of furniture here today, too. That looks like it's a stool. Yeah. That hutch is very pretty. It's like $25. This igloo cooler is $24.49. It's clean. That's a nice little table. You can get a rocker for $9.79. Look at this buffet. If you painted it and got new hardware, you don't even have to paint it. It is in such nice condition. It's $99.99. That is really great condition. If you need a suit, men's suit, even women, I mean, you could dress these up. These are so nice. Very nice suits. Here's some men's sports coats and jackets. There's a trench coat. Sweatpants, shorts, what do these say? This is funny. Underwear. This is Ready Lips. I love you. These are swim trunks. Those are cool. Lots of jeans here too for men and dress pants. Levi's jeans. $10.99. You can't beat that. What are these? Urban Pipeline? $10.99. What are these? Cross and Winds. I don't know those. Arizona jeans. Same price. Lee jeans. Architect Company. Okay, that was my haul for the Goodwill on Route 40 and Frederick. I was kind of disappointed. There really wasn't that much there. And what was there, it was stuff that, you know, like those vases. You could get those vases from your florist. And the men's clothing seemed to be really well stocked, and women's shirts and t-shirts. I always show that, so that's why I showed the men's stuff. And children's section wasn't really that big this time. Not a whole lot. I walked away with nothing. The only thing that I really liked a lot, sorry, there was a mosquito. The only thing that I really liked a lot was the little round brown wooden like tray. I thought that was nice, but I don't need it. So anyway, maybe I'll hit up another one during this week. Have a great day, and please don't forget to subscribe and to like. Thank you. Hi, this is an update. Yesterday I had gone to Goodwill, right back there. And I had, earlier in the video, you saw that there was a picture of a man praying. And I thought if I came back early enough that maybe I would get that picture. But sure enough, I mean, that was such a beautiful picture. Sure enough, I missed out on it. And this is just something that we always need to do, is when we see something at Goodwill. You know, I thought the only thing that I liked was that round tray, the round brown tray. But the more I thought about it, I thought about the vase, and I thought about the picture. So, as I said, I tried to get the picture. It was gone. However, I did look to see if a German crystal vase. Here it is. The German crystal vase. So I did buy this, and I bought a grapevine pumpkin, and I also picked, they only had 2 of these. I also picked up these 2 mugs. Each was $3.49. They're really pretty big. I thought this would be great for my tea. So I picked those 2 up, and I'm just so disappointed about that picture. I'm just so mad at myself for not picking it up or going back that same day and getting it. But you live and learn, and you know, sometimes you get really good things and sometimes you miss out on them. So anyway, my advice is, if you go to Goodwill and you see something that you like, buy it. You can always return it, except seasonal stuff. You can't return seasonal stuff, but otherwise you can buy, you could always return it if you need to. So that's, I think, the second biggest thing that I've lost out on, but it is what it is. Hopefully it went to a really good home, somebody who appreciated it.